Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will focus on short vowel sounds, specifically the short A sound. The short A sound is one of the most common vowel sounds in English, and you will hear it in everyday words. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and pronounce the short A sound correctly. The short A sound is represented by the phonetic symbol /AE/. To produce this sound, open your mouth wider than you normally would. Place your tongue low in the bottom of your mouth. The sound comes from the front of your mouth, not from the back of your throat. You should feel vibration in your vocal cords as you make this sound. Let me show you. The sound is AE, AE, AE. Now let us look at common words that contain the short A sound. The word apple is pronounced AEPOL. The word cat is pronounced CAET. The word bag is pronounced BAEG. The word man is pronounced MAEN. Notice how the short A sound is quick and crisp in each of these words. It does not stretch or extend like other vowel sounds. To master the short A sound, it is important to understand the correct mouth position. First, open your mouth wider than usual. This is different from other vowel sounds where your mouth is more closed. Second, lower your jaw and relax your tongue completely. Do not tense your muscles. Third, push air from your throat naturally and let it flow out. Fourth, you should feel a slight vibration in your vocal cords. These 4 steps are essential for correct pronunciation. It is important to understand the difference between the short A sound and the long A sound. The short A sound, as in the words apple, cat, and bag, is quick and crisp. You hold it for just a moment. The long A sound, as in the words cake, make, and take, is extended and prolonged. You hold it longer. Listen to the difference. Short A, AE, long A, A. Short A is quick. Long A is extended. This distinction is very important in English. Let us practice with more words containing the short A sound. Car is pronounced with the sound CR. Dad is pronounced DAED. Hat is pronounced HAET. Grass is pronounced GRAESS. Hand is pronounced HAEND. Class is pronounced CLAESS. Repeat each word after me, focusing on the short A sound at the beginning or middle of each word. Practice makes perfect. Here are some helpful tips to improve your pronunciation of the short A sound. First, watch your mouth in a mirror while practicing. This helps you see if your jaw is open wide enough and if your tongue position is correct. Second, listen to native speakers and repeat slowly after them. Third, remember to keep the sound short and crisp, not long or extended. Fourth, practice the same words multiple times every day. Consistency is key to improving your pronunciation. Let us review the key points about the short A sound. The phonetic symbol is /AE/. You produce it by opening your mouth wide, lowering your jaw, and relaxing your tongue. The sound is quick and crisp, not long. Common examples include apple, cat, bag, and man. Now it is your turn to practice. Dedicate time each day to work on this sound. With regular practice, you will master the short A sound and improve your overall English pronunciation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.